Hello. Time for some Chandidasa trip. And sometimes people asking what to do in Ahmed. On my opinion, wake up early, come on a beach, walk the beach during the sunrise. It's incredibly beautiful like today. And also sunsets are amazing, especially during the months when the sun is on a right side or in the middle of the Agung. It looks incredibly beautiful, simply gorgeous. you happy?
Yes.
Good dive, right? Amazing. We are back from Chandidasa. Beautiful dives. There was a hope for Mola Mola. Water temperature was 23 degrees, but yeah, so that's why we went to Mempang. Original idea was to do the Tepekong, but our boatman said if there is a Mola Mola, then most probably you can see it in Mempang. In a cave, there was so many sharks, so that most probably they coming there when they are pregnant, so it's really comfortable place for them. So everyone was there. Sometimes we see marble ray, but then next time we see moray eel, but the marble ray is not there. But today marble ray, moray eel, I don't know, about 12 sharks, baby sharks, big ones, and they were so lazy because pregnant, so they didn't swim away from us. It was just sleeping there. They finally moray eel, she started moving and she laid on the backs of the sharks. Sharks became like a kind of uncomfortable, started swimming around, and yeah, so beautiful dives. Hello. Today we are going to drop off and coral garden from the drop off side. And the question, how did you like the new footage from the new camera? It's actually Insta360 camera and it's filming all around, which is great. Actually, I can choose which direction to show, so I don't have to swing the camera all around like I'm doing now. Keep framing it, so I'm just putting, okay, so now I'm gonna move from this angle to this one and it's just moving. Amazing, right? I can make that tiny planet, inwards planet, so different crazy things, which is gonna be really great when I will go to the Agung, and I can create this illusion of FPV drones. I've been watching so many tutorials last, I don't know how many days, most probably last couple of weeks.
I follow the lead.
And that's it for this episode. Like someone said, another wet episode. Tomorrow diving again. But for you, follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.